these are my top 5 copywriting tips to get better at by 90%. Okay, just start taking notes because you are not ready for this. Tip number 1 is to understand your audience. This can happen by, of course, first you need to research and analyze. Go on Reddit forums, go on Facebook groups, whatever it is. You need to research and analyze your audience so you can understand their needs, desires, and pain points. Next is empathy and perspective. You need to be able to put yourself in their shoes and see the world from their perspective. Okay, this will help you create more relatable and compelling copy. And third, which is really important, and where most copywriters go wrong, is the language and tone. You need to adapt your language tone to resonate with your target audience. So speak their language and use words that inspire action. Like, this basically means, in simple words, you need to speak like your audience, right? So if there's specific words to use, terms, phrases, you need to start using those terms in your copy. Tip number 2 is to learn different copywriting structures. Okay, I'll give you a couple here. I'll give you like 4 that you can follow. That will instantly improve your copy. The first is the problem solution framework. First, you need to identify a problem that your target audience has, present your product as a service solution, as the solution, and highlight its unique benefits. Next, we have the CJN model. You need to challenge their beliefs to justify your claim and present your product as the need. Okay, next we have the storytelling technique. This basically means you need to weave stories that captivate and emotionally connect with your audience. Okay, and of course you can use narratives to convey your message. Okay, when you're writing stories, especially in your copy, don't just write it like in chronological order. You need to tell them how you felt and more like of what happened, the details, and how that impacted you. Fourth, we have the FAB formula, which is a focus on the features. You need to amplify the advantages of those features and highlight the benefits of your product or service to compel your audience to act. So first, you need to focus on that, kind of like what are, the features of your product. You need to turn those into benefits. You need to highlight those benefits, and your product or service, of course, is one of the benefits, right? It's like the whole thing combined together. It's like it describes your product. So tip number 3 is to take advantage of AI. Listen, if you're not already taking advantage of AI, this is literally the thing that might replace you, and not AI that will replace you. It's the copywriter using AI. So here are my 3 tips on how you can take advantage of AI. First is automated copywriting. You need to explore AI-powered tools that can generate compelling copy, save you time, and help you craft winning messages. So for example, ChatGPT, Copy.ai, Runway.ai, these are all very good AI tools that you can use for different parts in your copy. Next is idea generation. Okay, literally AI tools give you infinite ideas, and it's going to generate fresh ideas and give you new angles for your copy. And of course, this is one of my favorite things to do is a copy analyst. You can leverage AI to improve your copy by asking it to break it down, ask it to improve the grammar, and of course, ask it to improve your overall copy. Next we have is to keep it simple and concise. Okay, first thing you can do to make this work is you need to eliminate fluff. Okay, because listen, your audience does not want to read a whole bunch of fluff and a whole bunch of stuff that won't add value to them. So a good rule of thumb is for every line that you have in your copy, it should add value. If it's not adding value and it's just extra fluff, then you need to get rid of it. And of course, use short sentences. Notice how those big, bulky texts of copy that you hear from the corporate companies, they never really sell well, or you never really buy from them because it's very long and it's a wall of text which nobody wants to read. So you need to use short sentences that are concise and straight to the point. And of course, it's simplicity. Okay, you need to make every word so easy to understand that a 9-year-old would get what you're saying. Next we have is tip 5, which is to develop a copy split. Okay, so copy split is basically when you go to the gym, you have a gym split, right? Of this is like the main 3 things I'm gonna be doing: back, shoulders, chest, or whatever. So you need to do the same thing for your copywriting. So you need to learn copy, which is what you are doing in this video. And if you want to learn even more copy, just DM me on Instagram to get the free Copywriting Ultimate Playbook that teaches you literally my top tips that I've learned from months and months of copywriting. Next is to review copy. Okay, if you want to get high quality copy to review, you could join the free, and I mean 100% free copywriting Discord. Okay, next is of course to write your copy every single day. You need to practice writing sales pages, emails, and ads so you can have a vast skill set. And to be honest with you, you can do all of this by just checking out some of the links. So if you go on my YouTube channel, which you are right now, and go to the About page, you can DM me on Instagram. I have my Instagram there. You can join the free copywriting Discord, and you can also submit your copy in there so that other people can give you feedback on your copy. Okay, but those are my 5 top copywriting tips. Okay, this will literally help you get 90% better at copywriting. Peace.